Okay folks, so we're doing something a bit different today while we're sat at Kosta Palace in our own little alcove. We've got a bottle of wine from Kosta Palace. We're going to have a little bit of something to eat, and that is our view. And what we're doing is we're playing a little game and we're watching the boats come in. So there are some boats already in, so we've had to take them off my sheet. So what we did, we named all the boats, gave them all a number, and then we chose numbers at random, and then this is what I've come up with. So these are our boats, and basically the first one that comes in gets the highest points, second one, and so on and so forth, and we see who wins. So it's a little bit of fun. So as the boats come in, I'll video them and then we can see who wins at the end. See you soon. So we have our first boat coming in. It's, what time is it? 4:30. So you'll see it in a minute. And we'll see what it is and who's got the top points. Is that Kos Pearl? It is. So let's see who's got Kos Pearl. Oh look, it's me. Oh gosh. Husband's saying it's a fix. Nah. Let's see what's next. They'll all come thick and fast now. So it looks like we've got another one in, folks. But because of the Olympios, that's very in front of us, we can't see what it is until it comes out the other end. So I'll just say, yeah, that's fairly packed. Oh, it's mine again. Oh dear. So we have something else coming in. Oh, is that Captain Morgan? We call it the Beast because it is the Beast. I hope you like the music. So it's going to pop out in a moment. Yep, that's Captain Morgan. The Beast, because you can hear the hum of the engine from Jackson's Beach when we're sunbathing. I think the husband said it's his. I just thought I'd let you see it reversing. I mean, that's a biggie. I think that's the biggest one of all, and it looks absolutely beautiful at night. It's just all lit up inside. Like I said before, if you come into town at night, everything's lit up and you can go on the boats like I've done. I've been on Christina, I've been on Melina, and one night I may take you on that one, see what you think. So I think we've got two coming in at the same time. We're having a bit of a race here, folks. And who's winning? Christina's winning, oh my goodness. Who's that, Brian? And what's this one? Is that Poseidon? Yep, that's Poseidon. So Christina won that battle, and then Poseidon. So that was, so I got one of those and Brian got the other. So it's getting heated now, this competition. So we've got another one, folks. We're coming thick and fast now. Princess Diana. Isn't that a nice boat as well? That doesn't look too full, does it? So Princess Diana, oh, it's mine. Oh dear. Another point for me. Another one's coming, folks. We think it's Santa Maria. So the husband's happy because he's got that one. And it is, it's Santa Maria. Oh, another one's coming. Billy Ocean. How appropriate. That doesn't look too bad as well. I think you know me by now, folks. I don't like to see. So I'm looking at these boats thinking, would I go on one? I have been on Barco because it was like high up away from the sea. Oh, there's Nikita coming. Yep, Nikita, whose is that? Oh, I think that's mine. Oh, I want you to cross it off. Yep, that was mine. Oh, it's a nice boat as well. So we've got 16 boats between us, but there were already a couple, I think 2 or 3 already in the port. So you've got about 20 boats to choose from. So if you can't find a boat amongst that lot to go on your 3-island cruise, and everyone's different, everyone has their own personality. Right, let's see what's next. So we're about halfway. We've got 8 boats in that have come down and 8 boats to come. So it's a close match. So we have another one, but we're not sure what it is. Was it a private one? Oh no. There's quite a few people on that. Oh, we don't know that one. Is that Captain Hook? It's a different colour. So Captain Hook used to be red, and obviously now it's blue. Oh, that looks different. Right. Good job the husband's here. So Captain Hook. Who's got... Oh, the husband's got it, so he's happy. So we have another one we think might be Eva, which is the smallest one. Yep, there she is. She fur bats along for her size. I believe, I'm not sure if it's just a 2-island with Eva, but you have a barbecue on in one of the bays, so it's a little bit different. That's a bit small for me, but my friend loves it. So Captain Hook parks up opposite Kosta Palace. So all these people have just got off Captain Hook. And the ones that look frazzled are usually the ones that don't take any water or a towel or any protection from the sun. So if you go on any boat, be sensible. So just to let you know that when the yellow submarine comes in, the boat that immediately follows it, we get double points. So there's the yellow submarine, and we have a boat following it, and we have to see what this boat is. It's like, oh, we've got a bit of cliff. Dun 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 dun. And what is it? SeaWorld. Who's got that? Oh, it's me. Oh my goodness. Hubby's not happy. That looks a nice boat, doesn't it? That's a nice boat. Another one's coming in, folks. Oh, which one's this? Oh, one of the pirates. Is that Byron? I think it's Byron. Strange name, but you know, hey ho. Should have been Brian. And who's got that one? Oh, it's the Y. It's the Y. So we have another one coming, folks. Number 13. I'm looking for some. And it is... Melina. And I've actually done a video of Melina. Oh, we've got the train on. Yeah, looks really nice. So you get a sunbed and a chair each, I believe. So it's 20 to 6. Katerina. And we've got Katerina. Where have you been, Katerina? Not too many people on board, which is nice. So just to let you know, that is Yasmin or Yasmin if you're in England, and you can hire that for the day, half a day, an hour. I'm not sure the prices, but those who now know me, you wouldn't get me on that at all. But I believe you have a good time when you get on it. The one that we went on is actually called Sea Heaven, and it's that one there. So I'm just waiting for it to be refitted, and then I can do a video on it to show you. We did the sunset cruise. It was wonderful. So when the time comes, you'll get a video of it. So we've just heard on the microphone that somebody's having a party. So we can only assume it's Barco de Pirata, because it didn't go out today. So we're not sure whether it's a party boat come sunset cruise or just a party cruise. But it's on its way out. Oh, we're going sideways. I can hear some music on board. It's not our music, it's their music. Oh, we're doing a sideways. So I don't know whether they're going to just keep the music low because they're in harbour. I'm not sure if you can hear that. We've turned our music off just in case you can't hear it. So anchors up and they're away. So the music's not very loud, so I can only assume it's because we're in the harbour. And there she goes. So that's the boat that we went on the 3 Island cruise, but it was 2020 when it was COVID. So, off for a good time. So the results are in. Brian, 36 points, and Eleni, 45 points. Yay! He says cheat, fix, yeah, it's just a sore loser. See what happens next time, eh? Anyway, subscribe and you'll see lots of fun videos. See you soon, bye.